friends, we're here again to talk to you about your downsizing and moving timeline. Did you know that by creating this, it reduces overwhelm and anxiety about the entire process? And we love to help equip people with a proper plan so they feel successful. We're going to give you 4 fun tips. So get your pens ready and we'll start. First step, work with Cut the Clutter RVA to start sorting and making decisions about your belongings.
And at first, when you're working on this, you can just put them in keep and go kind of piles, right? The sorting that you do and getting like items together can really help you make those decisions on what's no longer serving you.
Step 2, you want to sort all of your items into piles, whether it's donate, sell, gift to others, or even trash.
Schedule time with your loved ones, your neighbors, the people that you want to give things to. Schedule time with them. Also, we have a great list of donation partners, so we can help you with information about where to donate pretty much anything that you have. And we have great contacts for estate sale agents if you want to sell things.
Step 3, use colored painter's tape and assign each category a color. Then, here's the winning secret, make a key.
Use a color for sell, use a color for donate, use a color for your neighbor George, use a color for things that are going to storage, use a color for things that are moving. Different colors for different categories is important.
Number 4 is begin researching realtors who can advise you on repairs and other tasks related to listing your home.
And it's important to meet with your realtor early because they can really support you and help you with the planning process. If you'd like more tips, we have a great downsizing timeline that we can send your way. Just reach out to us.